In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a payroll summary report in Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions to access reporting features, since some report options may not appear for users without admin-level access. Once you're logged in, take a moment to confirm that you're on the main dashboard and ready to navigate through the reporting tools. Next, look to the left sidebar and click on Reports. This is where Gusto keeps a variety of payroll and workforce-related reports, so if you use reporting often, this section will become a very useful part of your workflow. From there, open the Payroll Trends report. This report gives you a clear view of payroll-related data and is a helpful starting point when you want to generate a summary-style report for review or record-keeping. Once the report opens, you'll be able to customize it before downloading. Now, use the filter option to choose the employees or payroll data you want to include. This is especially helpful if you only need information for a specific group, department, or payroll segment. Applying filters carefully can make your final report much easier to read and more useful for the task you're working on. After that, adjust the time period, columns, or any other report settings as needed. For example, you may want to focus on a certain date range or display only the most relevant data fields. Tailoring these settings before downloading helps ensure the report matches exactly what you need, without extra information you may not use. Once your settings are in place, review the report preview. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the data shown on screen is accurate and complete before you export it. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and update the filters or settings. When everything looks good, click Download in the top right corner. If Gusto asks you to choose a file format, select the one you prefer. In many cases, this will depend on whether you want to view the report, share it, or work with the data in another program later. Then, simply wait for the report to finish downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file may go directly to your Downloads folder, or you may be prompted to choose a save location. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your payroll summary report in Gusto. Thanks for watching.